Hello students, this is a lecture based on recent trends in manufacturing technology. We will start here fresh unit number 3 of the subject emerging trends in mechanical engineering. So here this picture shows you the different components of smart factory. We know what is meant by manufacturing. Manufacturing simply means converting inputs into the outputs. Outputs are nothing but our products, and inputs are available in different forms like land, machine, technology, tools, raw materials. These are some of the examples that you know very well. But what are the recent trends that is going on into manufacturing technology that we will see here? So this concept is coming here. We will see at the center there is a location of smart factory which is connected to human as well as devices and the products. Along with that, there is implementation of Internet of Things that is called as an IoT, which is nothing but the analysis of data. After that, smart processes, smart logistics, and smart applications. So let us see what is that. Inside there, unit number 3, we will learn 3.1 is related to smart manufacturing technology, its introduction, elements, and application. 3.2 is nothing but what is automation, what is the need of automation, what is the basic elements, or what are the basic elements of automated system, what is automation principles, strategies, as benefits that we get. After that, point number 3.3 is types of automation. There are particularly number 1 is fixed automation, programmable automation, flexible automation, or we can say hard and soft automation. 3.4 is related to industrial robotics. In that we will learn robot anatomy, robot control systems, end effectors, sensors in robotics, industrial robots. So industrial robotics, that is a technology most widely used in the automobile industry and other applications also. But in mechanical engineering, this automobile industry is having a wide applications of industrial robots. After that, we'll see here 4D printing technology. What is that? 3D scanning, what are the functions, printing techniques, different printing techniques inside it, and applications. So these are the important points that we have to cover in unit number 3. But in this video particularly, we will learn about only 3.1, which is nothing but smart manufacturing technology, its elements and applications. So let us see the thing or the introductory concepts before that, before understanding smart manufacturing technology. In smart manufacturing, the latest new generation manufacturing machines are used in different industries for manufacturing purpose. So latest, first of all, you have to use latest new generation manufacturing machines. So day by day the machines are changing as per requirement, as per demand. So you have to choose latest new generation manufacturing. Next is smart manufacturing is implemented in different industrial sectors for the increased output of the industry. Why there is need of smart manufacturing technology? If we want to increase the output of the industry, then there is no choice. One choice is only this: we have to implement smart manufacturing or intelligent manufacturing. With the help of smart manufacturing, different tasks of the industries are done automatically. So automation is tremendously implemented by using smart or intelligent manufacturing technology. The automation of the factory as per the new technologies can be also be termed as smart manufacturing technique. Computers are mostly used in smart manufacturing. Procedures to control the automatic operations of the factory or unit of the factory. Without computers, the automation is not achieved. So computers everywhere that we have to use in smart or intelligent manufacturing technology. What is another points? Smart manufacturing is also referred to as computer integrated manufacturing, which results in rapid design change, high level adaptability, flexible workforce training, and digital information technology. So these are the results that we get if we implement automation or computer integrated manufacturing, CIM. What are that? Rapid design changes. We can make design changes anytime. After that, high level adaptability. adaptation is also very sooner and faster. Flexible workforce training, flexible workforce, multi-skilled workers are required everywhere, so that training is achieved and digital transformation is possible. By implementing smart manufacturing in the industrial sector, several benefits can be accomplished, such as supply chain optimization. From production to the marketing, this is called supply chain or marketing, or when the products are actually received by the customers. There are different activities the industry has to perform. That is, in short, what is the meaning of supply chain and its optimization. Fast changes for the demanded production level, efficient recyclability, and efficient production. These are some of the benefits of SM. SM means smart manufacturing. According to the smart manufacturing industry, a smart tech industry should have a multi-scale simulation, multi-scale dynamic modeling, interoperable system, good cyber security. Now see, internet is coming here in SM or as intelligent manufacturing, networked sensors, and intelligent automation. An industry comprising of all the above mentioned parameters can be considered as a smart industry possessing smart manufacturing capability. So these are the four industry revolution you can see clearly. Nowadays this term is widely used. What is industry 4? Before that we must learn what is industry 1, industry 2, industry 3. Industry 1 means mechanization and introduction of steam and water power. So this is the first industry revolution, industry 1. What is in the after that there is industry 2. What is that? In that, mass production assembly lines comes and using electrical power, assembly lines and mass production. What is there? Industry 3, automated production, computers, IT systems, and robotics, that is there in industry 3. But in industry 4, this is more smart, more intelligent, the smart factory, autonomous systems, internet of things, and machine learning and internet of things that are coming inside this story of industrial 4. What is industry 4? So this figure is very important, which clearly differentiates between industry 1, industry 2, industry 3, and industry 4. So how we can define SM? SM means what? SM means smart manufacturing or smart intelligent manufacturing. Smart manufacturing has been defined as the fully integrated, collaborative manufacturing systems that respond in real time to meet changing demands and conditions in the smart factory, in in the supply network, and in customer needs. This is the definition you can keep in your mind. After that, you can have this. Smart industry is a synonym for industry 4. So industry 4 or smart industry or intelligent manufacturing, these are the same words. So we can have the synonym or industrial transformation in the fourth industrial revolution, which will within which smart manufacturing de facto fits. So various stages that already we have seen here. This what is end at the end of 18th century there is introduction of mechanical loom and steam engines. At the start of 20th century there is a mass production based on division of labor powered by electrical energy. Start of 70s introduction of electronics and IT, PLC and SCADA. After that, today introduction of cyber physical production system, which include cloud or web based solution. Internet of things. See, internet of thing is different and industry internet of things is different. Internet, after that global connectivity, ERP, MES, MIS, SCADA, PLC, robots, sensors, wireless devices, mobility, all these are coming inside the today's fourth generation or industry 4 or smart manufacturing or intelligent manufacturing. What are the elements? Combined intelligence of machines, peoples, processes, products, and infrastructure makes a profound impact on overall economics of manufacturing. As a result, these essential elements of manufacturing are converging unlike never before, creating a gateway to the world of intelligent manufacturing. So let us see what are the elements. Number 8, intelligent devices. Smart sensors, controls, and software applications work together to obtain the Real-time information as finished goods make their way down the production line. So intelligent devices will enable machines to make autonomous actions. So intelligent devices with the help of smart sensor that we can implement in the machines. Number second element, intelligent people connecting people across all business functions and geographics, and providing them with relevant information in real time. Intelligent people will be able to provide intelligent design, operations, and maintenance, as well as higher quality service and safety. Intelligent processes emphasizing bidirectional information sharing across the global manufacturing value chain from supplier to customer. Informed processes lead to a flexible and adaptable supply chain. Intelligent connectivity using smart infrastructure components that interface with mobile devices, products, and people. Intelligent connectivity will better manage complexities and enable more efficient manufacturing of goods. These are the elements. Next element is intelligent product. Intelligent end products use embedded sensors to monitor performance and register information associated with the production and operation. And intelligent infrastructure, intelligent or smart infrastructure takes care of real-time information availability among various plants, equipment, processes, devices, and people. It may include IT infrastructure such as satellite link, Ethernet connectivity, Wi-Fi routers, remote PC servers, data storage servers, fiber optic link, civil structures, mechanical, electrical, and electronics hardware, etc. So what benefits that we can have with the smart or intelligent manufacturing? Number one, reduce total cost of ownership. TCO is reduced. Maximum return on investment (ROI) is increased, and assets also. Regulatory companies and product quality management. After that, quick time to deliver product to the market, optimized predictable operation, plant visibility, reliable supply chain management, overall equipment efficiency improvement, single truth at all the levels, reduced inventory levels, reduced human errors, and manpower reduction. So these are some of the references that you can consider for more study regarding the elements of smart manufacturing. Thank you very much.